Hello, this video is going to cover some information about complementary angles. We already know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So you can see here 70 and 20 do add up to 90 in both images. The difference in these images is that here we're seeing complementary angles that are non-adjacent, meaning they don't have a common vertex or a common side. And then here they are adjacent, meaning they share a common vertex and a common side. This ray here that I'm highlighting in blue down the middle just kind of splits this right angle into two, so they are adjacent. So using that information and keeping in mind that they add up to 90, this first question here on the left says angle CAR and angle YET are complementary. Solve for x. So this is what we're going to be solving for. I've started the setup here. We're going to be adding 56 plus x because we know this is 56 degrees and we know we're solving for x degrees. And of course, because they are complementary, that automatically means they should add up to 90 degrees. Ooh, sorry about that. It's ugly. And then we just take that information and use our algebra skills to solve for x. So obviously the opposite of a positive 56 would be to subtract it from both sides, leaving us with the answer 34. So this angle here is, of course, 34 degrees. On this side, on the right side, we have the adjacent angles that make a 90-degree angle. So notice nowhere in the problem does it actually say the word complementary like it did on this side, but it's obvious by this right angle here that these two angles should add up. So we add them up to equal 90 degrees. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we would, of course, use our typical algebra to solve for x, meaning we get x by itself. Subtract both sides, subtract 48 from both sides, which leaves us with 42 here. And then the opposite of 2 times x is dividing by 2, which gives us 21 for x. And then if we were to plug that back in, we would get the measurement of this angle, which is 42 degrees. 42 plus 48 equals 90.